Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to use GoDaddy Studio app. Firstly, download GoDaddy Studio from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and sign in or create a new account. On the home screen, tap plus to start a new project, then choose template, which are pre-designed layouts for Instagram posts, stories, logos or YouTube thumbnails. Or you can start with a blank Canva. You can tap text to add headlines. You can also add your own photos or use free stock images from the built-in Unsplash or Pixabay libraries. Use icons, shapes, lines, or stickers to enhance your design, then tap to change colors, gradients, or upload custom backgrounds. Now tap the layer icon to arrange elements, duplicate, or lock parts of your design. Just tap download or export, save as a PNG, or share directly to social media or save to your phone's gallery. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.